Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing good. Today we'll be going how to capture online lead forms in NetSuite. So there's this way of capturing leads directly from a website or URL into NetSuite. So the quickest way to do this is going to set up marketing and then online customer forms. So you can click on new here. You can either choose the default form template or you can customize it. So I'm going to go with the default form template, give it a name. Okay, you can choose what fields you want to capture on here. Once you've added the fields that you need on your online form, so I've added the mandatory fields that I need, click on save, and this should basically save the online customer form. So you can view make sure the enable online is checked. So you can have the external form or the internal form URL. So this form can be published onto your website where you can capture leads or any social media that you want to use. So this is basically going to give me the details of users to submit, get into your system. Hope this was helpful.